Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Skype not working. So to fix your Skype when it's not working, you want to simply go ahead and check if the Skype is having a service-wide outage. In order to do that, you want to simply go ahead and search for open any browser that you prefer first, and then simply search for Skype status page. And it is going to go ahead and show you if it is active when you simply go ahead and click on this website, which is going to go ahead and show you Skype is down or not. And as you can see, it says that it is currently working, so there's no problem with it. So it could be a problem with your internet connection. Then you might need to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always ensure that your VPN is turned off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If none of it works, you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your Skype application. Tap and hold on it and click on the remove app and click on delete, which will go ahead and fix the problem once you re-download it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.